Welcome to our guide on the best early game weapons in Elden Ring. We'll explore the essentials you need to start your journey. Choosing the right early game weapon can define your entire experience in Elden Ring, making it crucial for survival and success. In the early game, you'll come across a variety of weapon types including katanas, broadswords, and greatswords. Each has its unique characteristics. First on our list is the uchigatana. Known for its quick strikes and bleed damage, it's a favorite among players. The uchigatana's fast attack speed and bleeding damage make it an excellent choice for early encounters, allowing for quick takedowns. Next up is the broadsword, a classic choice for many beginners due to its balanced stats and simplicity. With its solid damage output and ease of use, the broadsword provides reliability that new players can depend on during tough battles. Finally, we have the claymore, known for its incredible reach and versatility in battle. The claymore excels with its long reach, allowing you to hit enemies from further away while maintaining versatility in its attack patterns. To obtain these weapons quickly, explore key locations in Limgrave and Caelid, ensuring you engage with NPCs and search hidden areas. Ultimately, the best weapon for your early game in Elden Ring depends on your playstyle. Choose wisely, and happy adventuring.